Justice Carroccia rejected EM's claims of fear and her claims of non-consent. That should be the takeaway from today's judgment.
For the past 2 years, 5 former World Junior Hockey players have been facing charges of criminal sexual assault. What happened today is that a judge acquitted those 5 players on all the charges that they faced.
Almost every single feature of the evidence that Justice Carroccia identified today as fatal flaws for the Crown was known to prosecutors and to police from 2018. Today's outcome was not just predictable, it was predicted.
Why did the judge reject EM's evidence? Passage of time is not a friend to any prosecution in Canada. And the events in question took place 7 years ago. And that was involving a room where everybody was drunk, where everybody had different recollections about what happened, and where frankly, so much time has passed that it's hard to get a consistent narrative from everybody in the room or anybody in the room about what exactly happened there and what order. The court tried to reconstruct that night with precision about what happened, but could not do so.
What do we want? Justice! When do we want it? Now!
We are all proud of EM because she shed light on issues that need our attention. She has fostered a nationwide conversation about sexual violence, entitlement culture, bystander responsibility, valid consent, coercion, and responses to threatening, unpredictable situations.
We will carefully review Justice Carroccia's decision, and as this case is still within the appeal period, we have no further comments to make about the decision at this time.
What was clear in this case is the prosecutors wanted to make case law. They wanted to maybe expand the boundaries of what is consent in a sexual assault prosecution and what is not consent. And the reason why they wanted to do that is because there were certain points in the evening where the female complainant was filmed saying that she consented to certain acts, and there was times where she was heard to say she was okay with what was happening in the room, but the Crown prosecution theory was that she was never okay with it, that she was terrified to be in a room where she went home with one player and then he opened the door up to 4, 5, 6, 10 other guys who came in through the course of the evening, and that any sexual activity she took part in was simply the result of fear. The Crown had hoped to prove that. The Crown had hoped that they could make the charges stick, and in doing so make new laws about what constitutes consent in Canada.